Today, we're gonna use the air fryer to make a snack that's somewhere in between a French fry and a potato chip. If you've never heard of canned potatoes, you're not alone. Not everyone had a grandmother who used canned vegetables exclusively. But there is one advantage to using the canned guys. They're already partially cooked, so all you have to do is crisp them up. So the first thing you're gonna do is open your can of potatoes, drain them and rinse them off, and then dry them in a salad spinner or on paper towels. I've already done that because you don't need to see me struggle with a can opener. Take your potatoes, which are already sliced. Isn't that convenient? Boop. Put them in a bowl. Take a tablespoon of bacon grease or some other cooking oil. Drizzle it on. I like using unstrained bacon grease because it has all those little meaty burnt bits. Any oil will work. All right, let's get these in the air fryer. You just want to cook the potatoes till they're nice and brown on the edges. Then we're gonna season. You can use a seasoning blend. Any of the ones from Trader Joe's are pretty good, but I'm going to just do a little salt and then a little white pepper. I like white pepper just because it has it's a little more pungent, a little more funky than black pepper. And then I'm gonna hit it with a little MSG just to up the umami. Don't panic about MSG, it's just a sodium ion and a glutamate ion, and glutamate is found in tomatoes, cheese, meat, all sorts of things. So you're not adding anything alarming. And you get a nice little potato coin that is basically the child of a French fry and a potato chip. And it's good. The white pepper is clutch. You can dip them, you can not dip them. A little ranch sometimes. Maybe ketchup if I'm feeling basic. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. And be sure to check out Lifehacker for more tips and tricks on how to do everything better.